Now that we finished up all the hard work at the Wesley Motorsports shop, a little bit of sweat, a couple of tears, we won't talk about that. It's time to finally get this car out on the test track and see all of that hard work pay off. We got this car dialed in with new suspension, it's got new brakes, and it's got that direct connection Hellcat Stage 1 kit. I really cannot wait to see all of the difference in these performance upgrades on this car on track. So let's get to it.
So you got to drive the car. How does it feel?
It feels a lot better, first of all. I mean, the suspension is probably the most noticeable difference right out of the gate. Just the way the car handles, how it dives into the corners. The braking is also seriously noticeable, especially those front brakes. Really crisp, really clean. I really feel like I've got a good handle on the car going into the corners.
Still makes enough power for you?
I mean, there's never enough power, but also I feel like at a racetrack on a road race course, you don't really need like straight line power like this car probably already had, but I think it's better dialed in for what I need it for now.
Yeah, and the suspension changes that we actually ended up making on your car, we called a little bit of an audible. We ended up using the stock dampers, so you actually still retained your electronic suspension control.
Yes, and for right now with this car, I want to be able to drive it on the track, also on the street. So I think at some point when I'm willing to make that full transition to just track, maybe we'll make that change.
You're a brake pad away from having a full ready-to-go track car. So as with all car builds, what's next?
I don't know, what is next? That's a great question for you. We did all the suspension work, we did the brakes, we did the stage kit. Now I feel like maybe it's time, a little aesthetic change, wide body kit?
Absolutely, we can go with the direct connection wide body kit, and then actually we could go with some direct connection red eye parts to actually upgrade the power of the engine even more.
Ooh, so crack the engine open, do some internals.
Yeah, cylinder heads, blower from a red eye, actually get the power up to 800 plus horsepower.
Yes, this sounds like fun. Okay, so are we putting this in the books now? I have some availability in 3 months. Oh, too soon, too soon. Okay, let's drive this first and then we'll book that round 2.
All right, sounds like a plan.
Great plan.